Good morning, student. So, this is the second part of A Truly Beautiful Mind. During the solar eclipse in 1919, his theory came out as accurate and charge physics. When Nazi came to power in Germany, he immigrated to the USA. He does so because he did not want his research and finding to be used for destruction. Further, when Germany discovers the principle of nuclear fission in 1938, he was the first person to write the American president about the dangers of atomic bomb. Moreover, in 1945, when America threw down the atomic bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, he was deeply hurt. Also, he writes a letter to the United Nations for the formation of a world government so that it can prevent recurrence of such destruction. In the last days, he spent most of it in politics advocating world peace of democracy. The great scientist died at the age of 76 in the year 1955. So, conclusion of a story of this chapter, A Truly Beautiful Mind, is it's a biography of a famous scientist, Albert Einstein. The story portrays the human welfare means जो लोगों के लिए काम करे, जो देश के लिए काम करे. And that is the reason why the title of the story is might come into your exam. Thank you so much.